this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit that notification bell to receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. Now guys, this is going to be a long video, so be prepared to stay put for a while. I hope that you will watch all the way through to the end. I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I got for my birthday. You guys know that I am a December baby, and I just love everything about Christmas and December and the whole holiday season. And so of course my birthday is in the mix as well, and so I've been celebrating even though there's not much to do, and I actually was under the weather a little bit, not COVID or anything like that. But so I didn't do much this year for Christmas, and I didn't really need or want anything either. But of course my family came through with some gifts that I thought I'd share with you guys. Some of the gifts that I did get. And I'm going to start with, I got this really beautiful little watch that has these little bows on the end of it. I don't know if you guys can see the little bow there. Addison picked this out for me himself. And so I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. I love Anne Klein watches. I love Anne Klein clothes too. They fit perfectly for me. And I thought this watch was so cute, so adorable. And I thought it was extra special that he picked it out for me himself. And so I should have it on today, but I'm wearing this gold one because my mom gave me this absolutely gorgeous black sweater with this sequence leaf on it. I guess it's like an inlet or whatever. I think that's how you said it. I don't know. But anyway, it has this gorgeous sequence pattern on it, and the sleeves are like bell sleeves. You guys can see how the sleeves are, and they fit close, at the wrist. Gorgeous, guys. This sweater is Kenya all day. I was like, Mama, you did so good. So I love this sweater that she picked out for me. So I'm wearing it today. It is gorgeous. It will be perfect if you were going to a holiday party to wear with slacks or with a long like chiffon kind of skirt. It will be so pretty with some heels on, just gorgeous. So I thought it was perfect for this video. So this is a gift from my mom. I just absolutely love it. She outdid herself. From my husband, he gave me a handbag. This is gorgeous also. I don't really have that many Dooney and Burke bags, and so I was kind of surprised that he decided to give this for me. But of course I was like, thank you. I do have one other one that doesn't have the monogram on it, and it's a large bag that I would use as a tote for work. And since I'm not going into work, I haven't been using it. But he picked this one up, and I really like it a lot. I like that it has a zipper here on the back. And so, and I like the red inside is really pretty. And how large it is. And it has a long strap, so I could wear it as a crossbody if I wanted to. And so, yeah. And he also gave me a gorgeous bracelet that was in here that I didn't bring in here, but he also gave me this bracelet. You guys can see that. So pretty. I love it. So I got that from my husband, and of course he put some money in the purse too, so that's always extra special. And let's see here. He also picked up, also from my mom, she gave me this really pretty sundress in this coral color, and I love that it has this little eyelet pattern on it. So this is going to be really cute for the summertime. It's sleeveless, so I just have it still folded up here because it'll be a little while before I wear this, but I thought that was really pretty as well. And from my sister, I can't reach the gift that she got for me. Hold on one second. Okay, so from my sister, she got me these adorable rain boots. These are so super cute, guys. You see the bow on the front of it. I absolutely love it. I thought these were so adorable. And guys, it's been raining here like almost every single day. So I've already worn them like 3 times already. So they are so cute, so super cute. I just love it. The bow makes it extra special, and I just think they are so adorable. And I've never had a pair of rain boots, so I thought this was really cute, really fun, and I love it. Another thing my sister got for me was these adorable slippers. I should put them this way, I guess, on this hand so you guys can see it. These adorable slippers, and you can see they have like this faux fur on the top, so they're fancy and they're really cute. And I like that they have a real bottom, like a real sole on it, so I could wear them outside if I wanted to, but I probably won't, because we don't wear shoes in our house, and so I will keep them for indoors and just wear them in the house, or maybe if I just step out on the porch or whatever. But I thought these were so cute, so adorable. I love them also. I was so surprised too, because these are a bit unexpected, but I was like, these are the perfect gifts, right? Something that you would want, maybe not by yourself. And I don't even know where she found these though, because I would totally get them in pink and gold and white maybe also. I think they're just so cute. I'm gonna have to ask her where she find them. And the rainbows are adorable too. Okay, and so that's from my sister. My niece also drew me a beautiful picture that I have hanging on the refrigerator. And let's see here. Oh, my husband also got me a couple of outfits that I'll just share with you guys really quickly from one of my favorite stores, Ann Taylor. I don't know if you guys can see that. Of course, this is nothing sponsored by them, although I would love to work with Ann Taylor. But this really cute skirt with the belt here at the top, like that. And I love that it kind of flares out at the bottom. You guys can see how that flares, and it's kind of long. It comes like below the knees, and it has this really cute top to go with it. So it's giving me like Jackie O vibes, like, you know, Jackie O, like back in the day. And the shirt tucks in, and then you have the skirt with the belt. So it looks like a dress, but it's two pieces, and the sleeves are kind of puffed up on the sides, you can see. It's so cute, guys. It's so cute. I tried it on already. It fits perfectly. Even though my plan is to lose some weight, but you know, until that happens, I will be rocking this. And even if it does, I'll probably get it altered, because it's just really a great quality outfit. This is something, and you know, of course the skirt is just, it's beautiful. And Taylor clothes are made, are tailored to fit perfectly, and they really fit nicely for me. And it's something that's like classic clothes, so you can wear them year after year after year. So if I lost weight, I would totally get them adjusted so that they can fit, and I can continue to wear them. I did get a pair of slacks. Now I will say, guys, I was with my husband when he was picking some of these clothes out, and these slacks have a wide leg, and they're kind of like, do you guys remember Culottes back in the day? Culottes, that's what they're like. I don't know what, if you're from another part of the country, you might call them something else, but they're just, they come in between, like above your ankle, but below your calf, kind of right in that area. So they would look really cute with this top also, because they're this mustard color. So that's really picking that color up in this top. So that's a whole nother outfit. I could wear this top with the skirt or with these pants, mix and match. Really cute. And then I also picked out this top, which would go with those pants as well. Now this is just a cute little top that would be perfect for the spring and summertime of the year. And look at the sleeves on this top, guys. So cute. You guys know I just love all the little flirty tops like this that's really ruffly and lacy. Like, I just love all of that. And you can see this has like this little detail here on the edge, and the sleeves are like the butterfly sleeves. They come all the way down like that. So cute. And so again, this top would pair with these slacks. So that's a whole nother outfit. And I just thought this was adorable. It would be cute for the fall. I would just put a sweater on with it and maybe a scarf or a jacket. And you can see how the detail is in the front of the blouse. It's just really cute and perfect for, you know, a transitional outfit for different times of the year. And lastly, I got this outfit, which I absolutely love. Absolutely love. It's kind of off season right now, but I mean, here it doesn't get cold that much. And when it does, it only lasts for a few days and then it's back to summer. But you can see this top is similar to the other one, with the sleeves are kind of puffed like that and it's straight across the front. But it doesn't have the bell sleeve. It's just a regular sleeve. But I love this black and white pattern. And it comes with this gorgeous skirt. And I'm gonna have to do a video, guys, and show you this outfit on. This skirt is long. It comes like down to my ankles, and it has a high waist, and the waist has, you can see around the waist, it has this ruffle edge. So when you tuck the shirt in and the waist is up high, and it has this long belt that ties into a bow. So it looks like, it cinches your waist in, and it looks like a present. It's so cute. So you can see how it does here. The belt loops are there, and you tie the belt and make a pretty bow. And you have this long skirt with the blouse. The skirt is more of like a stiffer material, and the shirt is like rayon. It's really lightweight. So the mix in the fabrics, but the same pattern, is gorgeous. So this is something that I would likely wear in the spring and the summertime of the year, but I took it because I thought it was gorgeous. I absolutely love this pattern. You could pair it with a red jacket and still wear it here in the South. I mean, I could pair it with a red jacket and wear it, you know, right now. Any color. I could pair it with a white jacket and wear it, but I would probably do red since, you know, we're in December. But even after the first of the year, you know, whatever. You could pair with pink. Also, yellow would be pretty. So anyway, I thought that was really gorgeous. So I have those outfits. And for myself, of course, Bath and Body Works. I did get these items just for myself, a gift to myself. I had a coupon, and so I went in and got a free gift, and I picked up some goodies. So this is Into the Night. I don't think this is new, but it's new to me. And look at how pretty the packaging is. That's why I got it. I thought it was gorgeous. So I got the whole set of that. Into the Night. Oh, where is it? Oh yeah, here it is. Oh, I don't usually get the soap that's like this. I usually get it like this. But anyway, I guess I wasn't paying attention. So I picked up the shower gel like this, but that's fine. I like it usually when it's in the container like this. But anyway, I got Into the Night, and this one is a shimmer. So that'll be pretty for this time of the year. You know, we got New Year's coming up. Not that I'll be going anywhere, but you know. And then I also picked up this peony, the Perfect Peony. I thought this would be nice. It smells really pretty, and it's nice for the springtime, or right now too, but we're taking a trip in the spring, and so I was kind of thinking ahead, even with those outfits and this fragrance, that, you know, it would be perfect for April when we take a trip. And then this was a free gift. You could get a free gift with a purchase amount or whatever. So I picked up the Rose Moisturizing Body Wash, mostly because I thought the packaging was gorgeous. I love the rose gold color. And for myself, last but not least, I mentioned about losing weight. So guys, I am about to get back on my weight loss journey. And so I got me some more Teamy tea. You guys, if you don't know, then you should know. Last year I did Teamy, and I lost, I think, almost 15 pounds in 30 days. And so, you know, the new year is coming. So it's time to start preparing and thinking ahead and getting rid of those quarantine pounds. You know, a lot of people gain their quarantine 15. I think I did more like a quarantine 20. So I ordered my Teamy. I have a new cup. I have one in black already. And so I got a red one right now because it's Christmas time. So you have the cup here that you drink your tea in. And then I have the super greens. So, and this, oh, I should have Oh, here we go. Okay. I was going to say I should have undid this beforehand, but okay. The Teamy Greens. So it's a superfood blend. So it's matcha, spirulina, and wheatgrass. And so you can use this. It's a says Teamy Greens is a nutritious blend of plant-based superfoods, perfect for getting a daily dose of powerful greens into your life. So you mix 1 scoop with water, juice, or add it to your smoothie. So that's going to be perfect. I do also have, and this is just an unboxing here of these items. I will share with you guys my progress on how things are going with this and how I like it. And I also am going to do the 30-day detox again, and that is with the, let me go grab it. I'll be right back. Okay, so for the 30-day detox, it is the Teamy Colon Tea and the Teamy Skinny Tea. And you can see I've already opened this, so I had a cup of tea already earlier today, and so I'm going to start the colon tea tonight. And so basically what you do is you drink the skinny tea every single day, and you drink the colon tea every other day. So yeah, so I will kind of keep you guys up on my progress on this. I may not do like a weekly update or whatever, but if you follow me on Instagram, I may add something to my stories there, or even on my stories here on YouTube, just so you guys can kind of see how I'm progressing. But I will give you an update at some point as to how I'm doing. So if you're interested in any of the Teamy products, like I said, I've done this before. I know that it works, and this is a perfect time of year to give your body a detox, a good cleaning. And if you like me, and like I said, and you've sat around and ate all kinds of garbage with the quarantine, then you know, it might be time to do a good detox. Then these items are perfect. I will have a link in my description box down below for Teamy Tea and a discount code. You guys can get 30% off your purchase right now, so that is amazing. And yeah, so you want to check my description box down below for all of the Teamy products. I'm excited to get started. I'm bringing sexy back in 2020. 2021. 2020, sexy got lost a little bit. But for 2021, we're bringing it back. So yes, check my description box down below for the Teamy products. Alrighty guys, so that is my gift to myself, the Teamy. You know, I gotta smell good, and I'm working on making sure I continue to look good. Health is important to me, and I think that we all get off track at some point or another, and that's okay. We just need to get back on track, and that's what I'll be doing for 2021. Okay guys, so I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. I hope that you have stuck around to the end. I know this was a long one, and I hope that you've enjoyed spending time with me. If so, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. You know, that helps me out tremendously. Also, leave me comments down below to let me know what you think about everything. Alrighty guys, so I know this video has been super long. I appreciate you watching and spending time with me. I want to take a moment to tell you all, have a very happy holiday season. Have a very Merry Christmas from my family to yours, and I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. For my faithful family members, you all know I love you so very much, and I do look forward to seeing all of you on the next one. Much love and many blessings. Bye bye.